There's been a lot of activity over the course of the last few days or so as the folks here in Chapel Hill prepare for the events. So a lot of folks have been working behind the scenes here at the EOC and Public Works, our fire department, police department, and then a host of other departments have been working together. We are going to get heavy rain. We are going to get winds that could bring down trees, especially because our ground is so saturated right now. So it won't take a whole lot for trees to come down. We have been working hard over the course of the last couple of days to try to encourage folks not to go out, and actually folks who are in more flood-prone areas of Chapel Hill to evacuate, either to find shelter with friends or family, or to go to one of the two shelters that have been set up here in our area to accommodate folks during this period of time.